Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to cook simple ground beef. First, select your ground beef, ideally an 80% lean to 20% fat ratio for optimal taste and texture. Heat a large skillet or pan over medium-high heat for about 2 minutes. This ensures an even sear. Add the ground beef to the hot pan, breaking it apart with a spoon or spatula. We want to brown it thoroughly, creating delicious, crispy bits. Continue cooking the ground beef for about 7 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally to break up any larger chunks and ensure it browns evenly. You'll notice the color changing from pink to a rich brown. Once all the pink is gone, the beef is fully cooked. Now, carefully drain any excess fat from the pan. This step is crucial for a less greasy dish and allows your seasonings to shine. Now for the flavor. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt and 0.5 teaspoon of black pepper to your brown ground beef. This is a great base. Feel free to incorporate other favorite spices, such as garlic powder, onion powder, or even a pinch of paprika. Stir everything together thoroughly, ensuring the seasonings are evenly distributed. Cook for another minute or two to let those flavors meld beautifully. Your perfectly cooked ground beef is now ready to enjoy. It's incredibly versatile. Try it in tacos, mixed into a hearty pasta sauce, or as a protein boost on a fresh salad. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. And hey, while you're making things better, why not make your car smell great too? Check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.